Hello everybody. Are you aware that the normal denture we have today is not the only type of dental restorations? So in this video, I'm going to educate you on the different type of dentures and the different type of dental restorations we have. I'm going to educate you on their advantages and their disadvantages and their cost also. So please, I would love you to hold on and watch this video with me to the end. This is a video you definitely will not want to miss. All right. My name is Jethro Joel and I'm your host for today, and I'm also glad to have you back in our channel. So if you are new to our channel, please, I would love you to give us a like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you get notified when next we release mind-blowing videos as this. And then if you are a returning subscriber, I'm very grateful and I appreciate you coming back to watch this video. Your support really means a lot to us. So now let's get to business. What are the different type of dental restorations we have? Now we have different type of dental restorations available, okay? But then we have them broadly classified into two. We have the dental implants and then we have the dentures. All right. Now the dental implant is a kind of restoration that involves planting a metal into the jawbone to hold the tooth that is going to be visible to the human eyes. All right. Now you see, this dental implants, if done very well, it's going to last for a lifetime without any complications, without need for a replacement. All right. So it is one of the type of dental restorations that we have. And then dental implants are kind of expensive, and then they are not made on one-time appointment. You definitely will have to visit your dentist a couple of times before you have it ready. And then for dentures, right? Dentures are broadly classified into two also. Now, dentures are classified into removable dentures and fixed dentures, right? Now, removable dentures are those dentures that the patient can remove from his mouth at any time, at will, at any time as possible, okay? But then the fixed dentures are those restorations in which the patient cannot remove it on his own. He has to visit the dentist to have them removed, cleaned, and maintained and replaced, okay? And these are the two basic differences. The removable one, the patient can remove, and the dentist can also remove it, while the not removable, the patient cannot remove. It can only be removed in the dental clinic. Okay, the removable dentures, we have three types under that category. Okay, we have the acrylic dentures, we have the flexible dentures, and then we have the metallic dentures. Right, the acrylic denture, I think, is the most common. It's what we see every day. It's made up of acrylic base, acrylic base with the stock teeth and the different components, right? But it's all made of acrylic. All right, it's kind of pinkish in color. So now the flexible denture is kind of a modernization of the acrylic denture. It is pinkish in color. They almost look alike, just that the flexible denture is flexible. It's not as hard as the acrylic denture. So when it falls on the ground, it might not necessarily break, right? It just expands and recovers, okay? So that is one of the advantages of the flexible denture. It does not break when it falls to the ground, unlike the acrylic denture, which sometimes do break, okay? And then we have the metallic denture. Now, the metallic denture is a combination of acrylic parts and metallic parts. Now, the metallic parts serve as the framework that supports the acrylic tooth that is standing, right? Now, the idea for that is to improve the strength and the aesthetics. Okay, good. Now, it is also important to note that metallic dentures are very, very difficult and tedious to make. So then, therefore, they will also be expensive. So just expect that. Okay, so I said we have the acrylic dentures, which are hard and not flexible. We now have the flexible dentures, and then we have the metallic dentures, that is for removable dentures. Okay, now for the irremovable dentures or non-removable dentures or fixed partial dentures, we call them, we have generally what we call the dental crowns and bridges. Okay, now crowns and bridges is a kind of restoration whereby when a tooth is missing, we are going to put a kind of cap on the other standing tooth and then attach it to an artificial teeth that will stand. Now, the dental crown and bridges is a kind of restoration that does not have a base plate. It does not have it's not as wide as the dentures. Okay, it only have a kind of cap that is inserted, that is placed on the healthy tooth surrounding the area where the tooth is missing, and then the missing teeth are now attached to these caps so that it looks natural and aesthetically appealing. Okay, I'm going to be dropping images as I'm explaining so you understand what I'm saying properly. And then types of dental crowns and bridges: we have the traditional dental crowns and bridge, we have the Maryland dental crown and bridge, we have the cantilever dental bridges, and then we have the implant supported bridges. Now, implant supported bridges is a kind of connection between dental implants and the bridges, in which you are going to have that cap placed on dental implants and then another part that is not placed on dental implants. Okay, and then apart from these, we also have some type of dental restorations. We have the inlays, we have the onlays, we have the tooth filling, and then we have the veneers. Right, these are all different type of dental restorations that are available. So next you visit your dentist, make sure you discuss the types. Okay, make sure you discuss the types, make sure you go for your choice. They are all there for you to make and all of that. Although sometimes in some clinic we readily have the normal acrylic dentures and flexible dentures available. They are the most common, they are the most available type of dental restorations, and let me say kind of less expensive, because metallic dentures are very expensive. Dental implants also are very expensive. Okay, now crowns and bridges are also expensive because they are made up of different materials. They are made of porcelain, they are made of special type of metals, and therefore they are also expensive. Okay, so the most cheapest and the most readily available is the flexible denture and the acrylic denture. Now, for the dental implant, the metal that is planted in the jawbone is mostly made up of titanium alloy, right? It's made up of titanium alloy because research has proven that titanium is a biocompatible metal, and it has the ability to undergo what we call osseointegration. Osseointegration means it can harmoniously live inside the bone without causing irritation to the bone or to the living cells in the body. Okay, so that is why we use them for dental implants. Okay, now it is also important to note that the choice of a dental restoration to be used by a patient depends on the patient's oral conditions. Okay, so for example, now the dental implant, if your jawbone is not as strong as possible, if it's not strong enough to support a standing tooth, definitely you're not going to have it. And then if the adjacent tooth to the empty space are not strong enough, definitely you cannot get a dental crown and bridge. Okay, so it is left for it is a personal decision, it's a personal choice, and then it depends on the oral condition. Okay, so it's not all the time that everybody will get a crown and bridge. It's not all the time that everybody will get an implant, right? And then it is also your duty as a patient to properly take care of the dentures take care of the replacements that are given to you, because if you don't take care of them, you will have to come back often for replacements and renewal and maintenance, which is going to cost you money, which is going to cost you time, which is going to cost you some pain also along the line. Okay, so now let me quickly recap what I said in this video. I said we have different types of dental restorations. We have the dental implants, and then we have the dentures. And I said dental implants have a metal planted in the jawbone that acts as the root of the teeth that holds the crown of the teeth. Okay, now I said we also have the dentures, and then the dentures are classified into two. We have the removable dentures, and then we have the irremovable or fixed dentures, right? Now these removable dentures are classified into three also. We have the normal acrylic denture, we have the flexible denture, and then we have the metallic denture. We also have in the fixed dentures, we have the crowns and bridges, which I say we have four different types. We have the traditional crowns and bridges, we have the cantilever bridge, we have the Maryland bridge, and then we have the implant supported bridges. Okay, we also have what we call the full denture or complete denture. Now these dentures are designed for patients that are totally edentulous, patients that do not have teeth at all, right? So it replaces the entire arc, upper and lower. Okay, now it is important to note that nothing artificial stands the natural one, right? So whatever we do in the dental clinic, we are trying to imitate nature. That is why it is important for you to maintain the natural teeth you have now, so you don't have them removed. Okay, yeah, so I think I've done justice to this video. I would love to see your comments in the comment section about what you feel about this video. Was it educating enough? Was it interesting? And all of that. I would love you to share your experience also at the dental clinic. I hope you find this video interesting and educating and refreshing at the same time. Okay, if you do, please, I would love you to give us a like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you get notified when next we release a video. And then if you've already subscribed, I'm very grateful and I appreciate you coming back to watch this video. So I wish you a good day and see you in my next video. Bye.